Ooh. Ooh. In this video, I'm going to set up and unbox my Spirit Halloween 2013 Wacky Mole Clown. This prop was made all the way back in 2013 and was in one of my favorite themes of all time, the clown train. As you saw, this was posted on Facebook Marketplace for $75, and the seller was nice enough to ship it for $30 extra, so I paid a total of $105, which I thought was an amazing deal. When I first was taking it out of the box, I noticed that all the parts were generally in good condition, but I wish the box was in better condition, mainly because the owner had some duct tape and packing tape already on the box. But I really did appreciate that the owner used brown paper instead of just putting the shipping label on the box. They wrote it on brown paper, and that kept the box in better condition. When I first turned it on, I experienced two issues. First was that one of the eyes wasn't lighting up, which was mainly caused of faulty wiring, because I moved the wires in the head later, and the eye later turned on. Second, the motor was initially very loud when it moved, so I might replace it later if I can find one similar, but if not, the noise usually stops after a few activations. Overall, I'm thrilled that I purchased this for such a low price, because they generally go for upwards of $250, so I'm really happy that I got a good deal on it. And I have almost all the clown animatronics I want from past Spirit years now, with the exception of probably Uncle Charlie and maybe Silent and Deadly. If you've noticed on my channel, I rarely pay the market value for animatronics. I almost always get some kind of deal, and that is mainly due to me not buying the first animatronic I see. I usually wait until I see a really good deal on something before I purchase it. An example of that was I almost purchased a Wacky Mole Clown last year for $200, but at the time I thought it was a little bit too high for me, and have regretted it ever since, but that was actually until I found this post and purchased this one. Thanks for watching, and here is my fully set up 2013 Wacky Mole Clown.
I just love hitting you bozos with my hammer. You better watch out, or I'm gonna whop you over the head, too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Step right up, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer? Be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head.